Talking with Neurons is an interactive installation that enables people to remotely connect with live neural tissues which mimic our nervous system. Hello? These two clusters of neurons are connected by cords of cells called axons. Each cluster is connected to a microelectrode array that stimulates the neurons according to a remote input, in this case, a person's voice. The electrodes then record the activity patterns of the neuron clusters in response to the stimulation. The signals captured from the neuron clusters are then converted in real time into sound and visual data. Neuron clusters react to stimulation in particular ways. For example, isolated spikes, which represent transient electric signals generated by excitation of neurons, and bursts, which are a group of spikes in a small time duration, are translated into sounds and animated graphics. Audiences are given the opportunity to witness a stunning audiovisual rendition of neuronal harmony, demonstrating the spatial and temporal intricacies of neuronal activities exhibited by in vitro neurons. Through the exploration of this new method of interaction between humans and lab-grown neurons, Talking with Neurons enables us to imagine a future in which we integrate living neurons into technology that we use every day.